Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're watching this video, chances are your iPhone is stuck on the iCloud activation lock, and you're asking yourself one question: is there really any solution in 2026? Right now, YouTube is full of videos claiming instant iCloud unlock, one-click solutions, and guaranteed methods. But the truth is, most of those videos are either outdated or completely fake. Apple has changed a lot in the 2026 update, and many things that worked before no longer work at all. In this video, I'm going to talk about the 2026 updated reality of iCloud lock, what people misunderstand, what has changed recently, and what you need to know before trusting any so-called unlock method. This is extremely important, because one wrong move can permanently lock your device or waste your money. I've received many messages from users saying, "My iPhone is locked, I forgot my Apple ID," or "I bought a second-hand iPhone and it's iCloud locked, what now?" If that sounds like you, make sure you watch this video till the end, because skipping parts will leave you confused. This is not a fake promise video, and I'm not here to mislead you. My goal is to help you understand the situation clearly in 2026, so you can make the right decision instead of falling for scams. Before we start, don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more honest tech content. Alright, let's get into it.